Hello, buddies. And recently, the Lakshadweep administrator Praful Patel. Recently, there is a slew of measures taken by the administrator of Lakshadweep and controversial draft which is of Lakshadweep recently drafted by the administrator Praful K Patel. So we will talk about basically about the draft and what are the controversial provision and which is the very controversial. And recently on the social media there is a hashtag Save Lakshadweep. So we will talk about and we will talk about the basic objectives of this learning, why it is in news, what are the drafts and what are the measures which has been taken by the Praful A Patel, Praful Patel. That is the Lakshadweep administrator, and remember that it is also an administrator of Daman and Diu and Dadar and Nagar Haveli. So there is some draft which is, and we will talk about that draft, which is what is the controversy in that draft, and what are the impacts and what are the issues which are involved in that draft. So we will talk about of the basic provisions of that draft and what are the issues which are involved and what are the impacts. So what are the impacts, and we will in the last we will talk about the some facts of Lakshadweep. So firstly, it is why in news and why on the social media there is a hashtag Save Lakshadweep. So if we talk about, so there is a draft Lakshadweep, that is the Development Authority Regulation 2021 for the creation of Lakshadweep Development Authority. The Development Authority has been drafted by the and Lakshadweep Administrator Praful Patel and is strongly resented by the people of Lakshadweep, known as Islanders. So it is and another measures, and there are the slew of measures has been taken. That is another is the prevention of antisocial activity and popularly known as Gonda Act, Animal Preservation Regulation, and Panchayat Rule. There are some changes which is done by the administrator in the Panchayat Rule, and also the lift of alcohol ban, which is basically a contrary to the all provisions, especially in Bihar, mm, and especially in Bihar and Gujarat. So if we talk about the Praful Patel, we should have a brief background of the Praful Patel. So it is a former minister. It is a former home minister of Gujarat, mm, of Gujarat, and it is also a recently appointed an administrator of Lakshadweep in December after the death of an IPS officer, and which is the previous administrator of Lakshadweep. So when appointed by the Praful Patel, so after that there is a controversy which is prevailing related to the draft measures, and as well as whatever the steps taken by an administrator Praful Patel, which is a Lakshadweep administrator. So what are the first draft we will talk about? So in the first draft here, Lakshadweep Development Authority Regulation 2021. So what are the main provisions of the Lakshadweep Development Authority Regulation Bill, or draft you can say. So this is define the development. What is the development according to this draft, which is a draft regulation? So carry out of buildings, engineering, mining, carrying in lands, and make any material changes in any building or land of Lakshadweep. So it is basically to take out any development measures which is known as development in the draft. So what is basically the most controversial? It empowers the government to constitute the planning and development authority. Consist of a chairman Consist of a chairman appointed by the government, one town planning officer, and three expert government nominees and two local representatives. So this is what in the draft it empowers. So it empowers the government to constitute planning and development authority, which consists of chairman appointed by government and a town planning. So What will this constituted body will do? It will take the development authority and has the task to prepare the land use maps, carry out zonation and build infrastructure in the lands of Lakshadweep like highways, streets and railways, etc. So what the administrator Praful K Patel is saying, it is basically saying that we are doing just to make the Lakshadweep more developed and the smart city. Mm, and smart city. So what are the concerns? What are the concerns and why the people are resenting and not accepting this draft? And they have wrote a letter and hundreds of protesters wrote a letter to Praful K Patel to take back this draft. So first is that people of Lakshadweep are saying this is motivated by the real estate interest. So those who are the real interest to take away the holdings of the landholder. So those who have the land, those who have the land or those who have the authority on this holding of their land and which is the culturally also as well. So this is they are saying so this is basically the motivated by the real estate interest to take back the holdings of the islander. So what will the impact on this and what will be the impact on this? This will lead to the forcible eviction of people and the forced migration. Another, it can cause the destruction of culture. So it can cause the destruction of culture as they live as a family. So cause more ecological effect as it is climate sensitive, and as you know that there is an infrastructure and recently in the Uttarakhand the hydropower project is completely collapsed and this is also taken as a development measure. So as you know ki what has happened in Uttarakhand recently which is in news. Now, what is the second measures? What is the second measures taken by the an administrator Praful K Patel, and which is strongly resented by the people? So that is the prevention of antisocial activities. So prevention of antisocial activity, or you can say the Gonda Act, popularly known as Gonda Act. So what in this provision? In this people will arrest for 1 year without any trial in court or even without even knowing them. So what police can detain them without knowing them why they are arresting and without any trial in court. So what are the concerns related to and surrounded of this measure? Firstly, it is against the principle of natural justice, and it is against the fair trial which is protected under article 21 of the constitution. So it is against the fair trial protected under article 21. So this is more or less similar to the Rowlatt Act of Britishers. As we know, there is a same provision in the Rowlatt Act and mm, which says that we can detain or we can arrest without any trial, and that time habeas corpus was suspended, but this time here is not habeas corpus was suspended. Basically they can detain for 1 year. So why these measures were taken, let's we know. So this is basically a motivated, although there is nothing in the crime rates. Crime rates are lowest in Lakshadweep in whole states and the union territory. Another is there is a changes in the Lakshadweep Panchayat rules. What done by the administrator Praful K Patel, that those who have the more than two children are ineligible to contest election in Lakshadweep or in regional areas. So there is a very basic concerns is that, so people are saying that this is basically to stop or prevent the local leaders to move forward to take leadership. As you know, in the Lakshadweep there is no legislative assembly and there is no chief minister at all. So what they are at the election are held at the panchayat level, and regional leaders or local leaders elect and step down and take leadership of in that area. Although there is no such national laws in the country to prevent someone who have more than two children to contest election, although in some state it is like in Assam, Andhra Pradesh, etc. So is there is any population explosion or is there in any population disaster in the Lakshadweep, and that's why these measures have been taken? No, nothing at all. Fertility rate is lowest in Lakshadweep, that is the 1.4, as compared to Bihar 3.2, UP 3, and Madhya Pradesh 2. Or you can say the Rajasthan 2.6. So Rajasthan 2.6. Another measures taken by the administrator Praful K. Patel. Praful K. Patel is the animal preservation regulation. Animal preservation regulation. Here the government has banned the beef eating. Here is government has banned the beef eating and even penalizes selling or buying beef production. So what are the concerns? Although it seems like good, but what are the concerns? Here is the people is mostly the non-vegetarian, and not able to find vegetarian food just like anyone in mainland India. And what is the main concern is that 64, almost the 65% population consume beef. I have taken this from the Hindu newspaper which came today. Another is the lifting the restrictions on the use of alcohol. So this is the very contrasting measures which have been taken by an administrator Praful K. Patel. So he is the former Gujarat Home Minister. So in Gujarat there is a alcohol ban, and in Bihar also the alcohol is banned. But in Lakshadweep, what has taken, he has lifted the restrictions on the use of alcohol. So there is only one bar in somewhere areas. Now he has lifted the restriction, and anyone can set up any type of alcohol and their bar. So why this has been taken? Although the consumption are lowest in Lakshadweep, only 7.7% of men 7% of men consume alcohol. So what are the issues which can involve, and what are the concern? As you know, there is a domestic violence on the women, and one of the main causes of the domestic violence is the alcohol. So their husband consume alcohol and then beated their women and even daughters as well. So it is somewhere can lead to violence on women on the more use of alcohol. So this is what. So now let's talk about these some facts about the Lakshadweep. So there are these some measures which have been taken by the administrator Praful K. Patel, and which is the very controversial, and that's why in social media there is a movement of hashtag Save Lakshadweep. Mm, So what is the Lakshadweep? There is a capital Kavarati, and it is the smallest union territory, consists of 36 island and area 32 square kilometers. So it consists of 36 island, which is very small islands, and area is only 32 square kilometer. And here is the crime rates are lowest. Zero murders in 2017 are recorded are recorded. And here is the lowest fertility rate. And what is the main thing in the Lakshadweep is the highest women literacy, that is almost 97%. Correct data is 96.5%. And here is the 94 to 95% is the ST population, scheduled tribes population, although there is no scheduled caste population. And 96.5% is the Muslim population, which is highest in state and union territory. 97% of land is covered by the forest, which is highest in India, in comparison to other state and union territory. So 65% beef consumptor in the country as whole, and 7% of men consume alcohol, and 3% only lives below poverty line, second lowest. So data I have taken from this data basically from the Hindu, which is came today, and this from the census, Niti Aayog, National Statistical Office, 68th round, and National Family Health Survey for, and NCRB. So what are the way forward we should take? What are the way forward we should take? What are the way forward we should take? So a regional aspiration should not be compromised. And ecological sensitivity, so ecological sensitivity should be taken care, because if there is any compromise in the ecology or the environmental aspect, it can cause event like Uttarakhand, as recently the Arabian Sea, which is surrounded by the recently the cyclone is coming, and it can hit even the Lakshadweep as well. So there are these some provision like Gunda Act should be scrapped. It is just like a Rowlatt Act, and which is heavily protested by our freedom fighters. So and talk to the people and take take confidence, and then development, because without people consent, development cannot take place, and development needed the regional aspirations, and we should take care of. Hope you will like this video, and please, what are the views on the Lakshadweep, please bring down into the comment section.